Here's a white third generation Fasco Charleston in the 42-inch span that dates back to February of 1987. So that I believe this is one of the earlier third gen Charlestons. Now, I got this from Facebook Marketplace along with two 52-inch Charlestons. One was a third gen, and the other one was also a third gen, but like the very first third gen, like with the second generation blade arms and the generic canopy and all that kind of stuff. And this was the only 42-inch one. And this thing is in amazing condition. There's like no marks on this thing whatsoever. It's a really nice fan and it works really well. So this is low speed. It's a very aesthetic low speed. Now, I say this in every Fasco video I make, but I'm going to say it again. So, the way Fasco made their fans is they use speed coils and capacitors to get the 3 speeds. And I guess that's part of the reason why low speed is always so slow on these things. And it really gets kicking when you bring it up to medium. It moves almost, like, it does move a tiny bit of air on low, but not a whole lot at all. It's more aesthetic than anything. But I'm going to go put this up to medium, and you'll see how much faster it goes. But that's normal for all Fascos. So now it really gets moving pretty good here. You can kind of see my stuff on the pegboard here is kind of, you know, being blown around if you look. This tripod is so difficult to use. Alright, I'm gonna go put it on high speed now. This thing actually moves a lot of air. And now, Let me see if I can do it this way. If you look on the pegboard, now stuff is really moving around. Okay, I figured out an easier way to move the tripod. And we'll go ahead and shut it down. There you go, that's the 1987 Fasco Charleston 3rd Gen in white, in antique white.